Mr. Shark from The Bad Guys. If you saw that movie, The Bad Guys, it's about a bunch of animals. Really, really cool animated movie. If you haven't seen the movie, you should go check it out beforehand. But I'm going to go over step by step on how to draw Mr. Shark. All right? Real simple, really easy. I'm going to walk you through the entire thing. So if you're a beginner, stick around. It should be relatively simple. The whole lesson's roughly 8 minutes, okay? Not very long. This character design is very simple as well, so it should be easy for you to do. Stay all the way to the very end. And that's pretty much it. You'll have it in the long-term memory if you stay all the way, like all 7 minutes. If you stay all 7 minutes, you will have this thing in your long-term memory, okay? Let's get started, all right? All right, let's get started. First thing I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna go over here to the top of the head. All right, curved, small, relatively small line. It's got a pretty small top of the head. Curve down over here, and it's gonna pull out. Over here on this side, down here, pull out just a bit for the smile. Curve down. Curve down. He's got this big head, obviously, right? I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna curve underneath for the bottom of the neck. Smile, big smile. Tooth. Tooth. Tooth right here. Tooth right here. Tooth right here. Curve over here. Curve. Curve. Down under here and pull up. Alright. Gonna go over here. Curve to the top of the eye. Curve to the top of the eye. Line. Line. Curve underneath. Curve underneath. Put a dot here and a dot here. Alright, let's get rid of the top. Curve. Line over here, line over here. Dot. Curve dot right there for the face. Line right here for the chin. Let's go over here for the fin in the back, okay? We're going to pull up, curve down. We're going to pull a line around the corner here for the collar. Line around here for the collar. Curve. Curve. Out over here. Zigzag. Down. Down over here. Pull out as well for this side of the coat, right? Underneath the shirt. Yeah, another thin line here showing underneath the shirt. And we're going to have him standing there with his hands in his pockets. So we're going to have his arm curve right there. He's got rolled up sleeves, so we're going to have that kind of line. Line over here on the inside like it's folded, right? Folded up sleeve. Curve, curve underneath. Over here, line, same thing, curve. Got that folded up sleeve, curve like so. Curve underneath here. Line over here for the zipper of his pants. Line, line. I'm gonna pull line down here for the bottom of his pants. Curve, down, curve. Line over here, down, curve, up. Curve down, curve over here. Down for the bottom of the shoe, for the side of the shoe, side of the shoe, pulling in, curve, curve. Right here, we have that lower layer. And We've got the side of the pocket here sticking out there as well. And if you want, we can throw in like another line right here for kind of the collar of the shirt area. To kind of really complete that. Right there, like so. So, what else do we do on Mr. Shark, right? If you saw the movie, let me know. The Bad Guys, really cool movie. Hit that like. You can throw out a thick line just on the outside border of him. So kind of contain him. Make it look like a sticker of some type. Like so. Then over here. Curve. Curve over here. Over here, then over here. Like so. Then you kind of have this like a little bit of a stronger profile, which is kind of what we want. We want a little bit of that stronger profile in order to give him like more of an idea that he's just standing there, right? Go throw circles here for buttons. Circle, circle, circle. Right there for the button, so he's buttoning up that stuff right there. Line right here for the kind of fold along that shirt that he's doing. And he's looking straight at us, right? Like a shark. I know a lot of people mostly how to draw sharks in profile, but like for this guy, we're drawing him straight up front. Just very cool, very chill. You can draw like more lines right here along the pants if you like. But yeah, like I said, if you do like the movie, hit that like. And if you like this model, hit that like. And let me know what you think. I'm really curious about what you guys all think about the movie. It's kind of like fascinating to me because I thought it was a good movie, but like, you know, there's a lot of different things about it. But let me know what you think in the comments. And don't forget to say hi to me in the comments if you got this far. If you got this far, absolutely say hi. I'm going to say hi back to every single comment that, you know, literally every single comment that shows up, I'm going to say hi back to, okay? Also, share the video if you do like this kind of stuff. Sharing the video, sharing is caring, and kind of when you share the video, it brings back a huge boost of like positivity and just kind of good all around good vibes, okay? So that's kind of what I want to keep it here. I want to keep it good vibes. If you have any ideas of what else you want me to go over, like what other lesson you want me to go over, let me know in the comment section. I've done many requests, including the very first Bad Guys drawing was a request by somebody. So absolutely do that, and I will keep up with you, and that's pretty much it. All right, if you have anything else to say, let me know what you think in the comment section. I'll talk to you in the next video. See you around. All right, and if you want to keep learning how to draw and keep pushing your skills, go right here to this video on here on this side. That video I put because it's the exact same theme as the video you just saw, and it I like it as a bit of a pair. So absolutely go check that out right now, another short video.